mechanics now. Let's go see what that guy just drove through. Ooh. Right there. That's where I've been stuck on the other truck. That is so cool for a movie. Camera and got excited. I sure like that. Oh shit, he's coming around again. Thank you. I like this guy. He said, "You're making YouTube videos? I can hit that hole harder." I said, "Oh, if you want to." I don't want to make you do nothing. I have to make sure to edit something cool together for this. All for the shot, guys. Look what I do for you guys.
I thought you'd have been standing right
Thank you.
there, bro.
Oh no, it's all good. I was at. Check me out, guys. I was all clean just a little bit ago. Yeah. And then I made a new friend and thought I'd make some cool videos of him running through the mud hole, and we got the shot.